It's time for the Nootropic Study of the Week.
All right, so welcome to another episode of the Nootropic Study of the Week. Today we have a study on ashwagandha with the title A Double-Blind Placebo-Controlled Evaluation of the Anxiolytic Efficacy of an Ethanolic Extract of Withania somnifera, which is then another name for ashwagandha. And 20 participants received ashwagandha in this trial, of which 17 finished the trial. 19 received placebo, of which 16 finished the trial, so those numbers are quite similar. These participants in both groups had various anxiety disorders, and a couple had depressive disorders as well. 6 weeks was the duration of the study, and the dosages were divided up into 2 times a day. 500 milligrams in total, so 250 milligrams of ashwagandha in the active group, and the placebo group also received 2 pills per day. And the measurement of this study was primarily Hamilton Anxiety Scale, and that is the standard way of measuring anxiety, and specifically in psychiatric settings and in regards to different interventions such as nootropics, how they will influence mainly then anxiety disorders, but it can be used for determining how anxiety levels fluctuate upon interventions in healthy people as well. What they found on this Hamilton Anxiety Rating Scale was that quite a large reduction actually in anxiety in the ashwagandha group in comparison with the placebo group. And I estimated the effect size, Cohen's d, which came out to be a 0.772 positive influence on the Hamilton Anxiety Rating Scale, which means that the effect size was moderate. And if you are pondering using ashwagandha, this means that you will probably get an effect if you use it for 6 weeks, if you use it in 500 milligram dosages, and you will probably get a moderate effect size from it. So the magnitude of the effect will probably be around moderate. You'll probably notice it, or I'd say most definitely notice it. And in regards to side effects for ashwagandha, there were actually more side effects in the placebo group, 3 versus 2 in the ashwagandha group. Then there were 2 side effects. And in regards to the withdrawal symptoms, after the study, there were no withdrawal symptoms whatsoever from ashwagandha. And that is it for this study.
That was the Nootropic Study of the Week.